everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today I have a very exciting video. Or at least I think it's very exciting. So I was actually about to leave. My apartment complex has a food truck kind of event every Friday, and this week they have a taco and burrito food truck coming. So I was gonna go down there and get some good tacos and burritos, and I decided, hey, why don't I just go by my mailbox, see if anything came. I haven't really ordered anything, wasn't really expecting anything, and then lo and behold, I had a package, and it's my GeekGear box. So I'm going to be doing my second GeekGear box unboxing, and I'm really excited about this because the sneak peeks they gave made me really excited. Their sneak peek was herbology was one of them, and divination was the other one. So I'm really excited to see what those like sneak peeks meant. I'm really excited about the herbology one. Or was it it was a mandrake was the clue, and I've wanted a mandrake replica for forever. I actually asked for one for Christmas. I didn't get it, but that's okay. But I really want a mandrake replica, and these items are all handmade, so I'm hoping maybe one's in here. That's probably lofty, that's probably not in here, but one can dream. So if you didn't watch my first GeekGear unboxing, I will link that in the cards for you, that way you can go watch. But this is a Harry Potter subscription box. It is every month that you get one of these. These are all like handmade, crafted items. Every now and again there's licensed items in here, but it's every month you get Harry Potter items, and you guys obviously know, Harry Potter fan here, I have a nice Harry Potter collection and I love getting these. I wasn't sure if I was gonna do 2 boxes, but I enjoyed the first one so much that I was like, you know what? Let's just keep going with it. Before I jump into opening this, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button if videos like this are interesting to you. I don't have too many Harry Potter related videos on this channel, but I am trying to incorporate a little bit more here and there just so I don't overwhelm you guys. Because, I mean, my background is Harry Potter, so it is a nice little touch to the channel, I think. So definitely make sure to hit that button if you like videos like this. I do upload every single day, Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard. And now I am so excited, I just want to open this box. I've been waiting. Oh no, my battery's died. I gotta change it before I open this. That would be the worst opening ever. I open it and no one's there to see it. Okay, fresh new battery. You guys know what I like to do. I like to open the box for you guys first. You're too close. Excuse me. Back up. There we go. That's a little better. So I'm gonna open the box for you guys first. Let me just... Okay. Please be in focus. Is it in focus? What does it look like? I hope it's magical. Okay, the t-shirt. I gotta pull out the t-shirt. It's a chocolate frog! Look! Or like, it's the shape of a chocolate frog. Oh, it is a chocolate frog. Okay, I thought I was going crazy. And it's a white tee. Now, I get mine in the size large. I probably could get a size medium in this, but I like my shirts to be extra roomy because typically I sleep in them, but I like the design of this one and I love white t-shirts. I kind of want to put this on. I don't know, should we make that a thing in every video? Comment down below if you would rather me try on the shirts in every video or not. Would you rather just see them? Let me know. I like this design though. Good start to the box. So they're also including these little things in the boxes now, which is, it shows you who packs your box. So mine was packed by Alan, so thank you very much, Alan. I just read the box. Oh my god. It says magical potted creature. Please be a mandrake. Please. I don't know what else would be potted. On the back it says, warning, whenever this plant is unearthed, it screams. The scream of this plant when it is fully grown will kill any person who hears it, but a young plant screams will usually only knock a person out for several hours. It is advised when handling this plant that you wear adequate ear protection. And look how cute little box is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. From the top it looks amazing. It looks amazing. I'm gonna cry. Like legitimately, I'm gonna cry. It's a mandrake. I literally was just telling you guys how badly I wanted a replica mandrake. And there's a replica mandrake. He's so cute. Oh, he comes out of his little pot. Look. Wow. This is like actual hard ceramic. This is really nice. Oh my god. Look at him. He is so, I mean, he's not really that cute, but he's kind of ugly cute. I love it. Comes in a little ceramic pot. I'm definitely gonna put something in the bottom so he sits up a little higher, but he has roots and everything. This is amazing. legitimately, this is amazing. I'm gonna cry. I like legitimately want to cry because I'm so excited right now. The shirt's good. The first item is the one thing that I really wanted. Such bliss. Okay, let me move this box. He's gonna sit right there because oh, you can't even see him. He's gonna sit right back here. Whew, I see a good many other things in here. I wanna pick up this box. So this is a really colorful box. On the top it says magical treats. Ooh, is this food? It's Serbert Lemons. Look, they're like individually packaged Serbert lemons. So just to give you guys just a little tidbit about me, I love lemons. I love lemons so much I eat them like straight. So I really want to eat one of these. I won't eat them on camera because I'm not really into that. But I will update you guys in the description on what I thought because I will definitely be having one of these later because I love lemons and I like candy. This is another really good item. I'm excited about this. So I'm wondering if they're doing, it doesn't look like there's a tea bag in here this month. So I wonder if they're gonna like mix up tea bags and like treats every month. I'm super pumped. I'm gonna feel just like Dumbledore. I want to pick out this little box. It's a tea strainer. It says on the box. I kind of wish they wouldn't put what it is on the box so it would be a little bit more of a surprise, but I don't mind it. But this says it's a wizardry tea strainer. I actually own a bunch of tea strainers. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, it's Ravenclaw themed. So it has the Ravenclaw house colors. Now it has an owl on it. I don't know if all of them came with owls and then they just did the house colors for everyone. Unless he's supposed to be like an eagle. He looks like an owl to me. This is a really nice tea strainer. This is kind of similar to the one I have. So it just opens up on the center, you put it back on its little thing, and then you clamp it closed. I love having a magical tea strainer now. This makes me very happy. I need to calm down. I am so excited. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm gonna put this back in the box. I'm literally blown away right now. I haven't disliked anything yet, and everything has just been so amazing. So there's another little box down here. It's chocolate frog colored, and it says chocolate frog on the top. So this is another candy. So it says on the bottom, milk chocolate flavored frog shapes. Let's see. Oh my god. So it looks like 2 little frogs are in here. They are like 4 little halves of chocolate frogs. Definitely gonna be eating these later too. Oh, I'm so excited. So I think one of the clues this month too was Honeydew. So that explains all of the candy. That makes me so happy. So it looks like there might be just one more item because we've already had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 items. So yeah, I think usually we get 6. I lied. There's tea in here. Oh, I'm having a cup of this tonight. The divination item. So it is a divination tea. This is Earl Grey with lavender infusion. Earl Grey is probably one of my favorite teas to drink at night. I put a little bit of sugar in it and then I let the tea soak in milk and then I put the water on it and it's so good. So that's usually what I drink at night. Let me open this guy up. I want to smell it because I love the smell of Earl Grey. You can smell the lavender. It smells really good. Ooh, and it's pretty in there again. I can see little lavender bits. Ooh, it smells good. It smells really good. I'm super excited. So they are doing the tea every month. That makes me happy. I like it. I kind of wish we got a teacup. I think that would have been cool for divination. I really want a teacup that has the Grimm inside it. But I'm happy with divination tea because that makes sense. Okay, so it looks like, I'm not sure so it looks like maybe there's 2 more items. I'm really confused by like what everything in here is. There's like a bunch of stuff, like little paper things in here. So there's a lot of little paper. Oh, it says on the little thing, whoops, we forgot to put this beautiful signed artwork by Paul Toner and the leaflet. Oh, so there's artwork in here. Maybe that's what this is. So there's a little scroll. Wow. This is beautiful, and it's signed. So this is the piece that they were talking about. It's signed on the bottom by the artist. This is beautiful chocolate frog artwork. The print is so pretty. Ooh, where should I put this, you guys? This needs to go somewhere. Oh, this wall behind me is just gonna be covered in magical prints. This is really pretty. I need to get a frame for this because I love the colors. I love that it's signed. This is amazing. This box seriously has blown my mind. And so it looks like there's just one more thing down at the bottom of my box. And it looks blue, so yeah. So this is a print for Ravenclaw. You guys know I am a Ravenclaw, and this is a Geek Gear licensed exclusive again. We got one last month too. We got an always print. I like this one. It's not my favorite, mainly because the colors aren't right. I don't know why Warner Brothers changed the Ravenclaw colors. The tea strainer has the colors right, but there's no bronze on this. There's silver. Our colors are blue and bronze, not blue and silver, but I don't know why the movies did that to us. I don't know why they got us messed up like that, but thanks a lot. Makes sense because it's licensed, but I like it. It's not my favorite. I don't think I'm gonna hang it up. I'll probably end up putting it somewhere. I don't know if I'll hang this one. I do still like it, but I'll probably keep it in this protection and figure out a place to keep it for now, because I just don't think it goes with my room as much. The colors are really, really bright. I feel like if they were like more rusticy looking colors, I would like it a little bit better, but overall that's still nice. So let me go ahead and open this. I already read this little bit that's on the front where they didn't put the signed artwork in there. So it says, a massive thank you from all of us at Geek Gear for subscribing to the Geek Gear Wizardy box. We hope that you enjoy every single item that we have carefully packed into your box this month, and you continue your subscription and remain to be a valued member of the ever-growing Geek Gear community. So then it just lists everything that we got. So the sweet t-shirt, the divination tea, the tea strainer, everything. And then they do their YouTube spotlight, and then next month's hint is the mark. Like, it has a picture of Harry's scar. Ooh, I don't know what that can mean, but I'm excited about it. I think my favorite item is definitely the Mandrake, because I've been wanting a Mandrake replica so much. He will definitely be in the background somewhere at all times, because I've wanted one for forever, and he's of really, really good quality. I think my least favorite item is the Ravenclaw print, just because it doesn't quite fit my room. I have like blue curtains up in this room, and the blues don't match because it's more of a dark blue on my curtains, so I just don't think it would go with my room very well, so that's unfortunate. But I do like it. I'm not saying I don't like it. I just don't know where to put it in the space I have right now, but I will definitely be keeping it because I'm sure later on, if I buy a house, I can figure out somewhere to put it. Sneak it into my husband's future game room just to mess with him because he's a Gryffindor. And then I'm definitely really excited about the tea, and the fact that they gave us a tea strainer this month I think is amazing. I already had one, but I will always welcome in more tea strainers, especially when they come in my house colors. So I am very excited. I will definitely be having my tea tonight, and I'm so ready to taste the tea because Earl Grey is my favorite. So yeah, I liked everything in this box. I can't wait to throw on this t-shirt and see what it looks like and see how it feels. It feels so soft and it's so cute, and I'm really pumped for the candies. Literally, I liked everything in this box. If you guys are interested in getting this box, I will have my referral link down below. It is not an affiliate link. I literally am so happy right now. I was actually feeling kind of down before I started filming this video, and now I feel so much better. If you're really into Harry Potter like I am, I definitely highly recommend this box so far. I'm definitely going to keep getting it, so next month be on the lookout for one of these unboxings again. I also have another Harry Potter subscription box from Loot Crate that my husband got me for Christmas, so I think I should be getting another box at the end of this month. They're bi-monthly, and I don't remember when they ship out. So I should have another one of those coming up soon. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button, and hopefully that means I will see all of you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!